Wait. Amaka and Shinedu, why are you surprised you are seeing chemistry on the board? Because you all know me as a math and physics tutor. Well, while I was studying today, I stumbled upon this chemistry question, so I decided to solve it together because I know that there are people out there who find it difficult to solve stoichiometry problems like this relating to mass to mass relationships. So if you are one of them, ensure you like this post, share this post, and also let me know your thoughts in the comment section. So now the question is, calculate the mass of calcium oxide produced by heating 200 grams of limestone to constant mass. We have the atomic mass of calcium to be 40, we have the atomic mass of carbon to be 12, and of course the atomic mass of oxygen to be 16. What do we do? Solution. If you are not subscribed to my YouTube channel, ensure you subscribe. So now moving on, when you see a question like this, because seeing this question reminds me of my middle school examination, when I was writing WAEC and NECO examination, and I stumbled upon this question multiple times, even across the objectives and even the theory as well. So now what do you do when you encounter such a problem? When you see a problem like this, you first of all write an equation for the reaction. Because the question states limestone gives out calcium oxide. Limestone, of course, is CaO CO₂, an aqueous solution. Calcium also carbonate 4, alright, gives out calcium oxide. Calcium oxide is solid, alright, plus carbon 4 oxide gas, CO2 gas, alright. So now moving on, looking at this question critically, how do we solve? How do we move further from this particular point? Now move further from this particular point by calculating for the molar masses of this ternary compound CaCO₃, which is limestone, and of course calcium oxide. Now the molar mass of a substance is the mass of 1 mole of a substance expressed in grams. So we are going to add the respective atomic masses that makes up this particular compound. So we have calcium to be 40, we have carbon to be 12, and of course we have oxygen to be 16. We have 3 here, so 16 times 3 is 48. So of course if we add this together, we get 100 grams per mole. So now moving on, the same thing goes for the calcium oxide. So the calcium oxide will be 40 plus oxygen, which is 16. We have 1 mole of oxygen, 16. So if we add this, we have 56 per mole. Now I've gotten the molar masses of calcium carbonate 4 and calcium oxide. So now we relate it to this particular equation. Now according to this equation, 100 grams of calcium carbonate 4, which is limestone, gives out 56 grams of calcium oxide. Calcium oxide, very good, calcium oxide. So now moving on, that is to say that 1 gram of this same CaCO₃ will give 56 divided by 100, right? 56 divided by 100 gram of calcium oxide. Therefore, the question is you should calculate the mass of calcium oxide when 200 grams of limestone. Therefore, 200 grams of limestone will give out 56 divided by 100 times 200. 56 divided by 100 times 200, 0 cancel 0. 56 times 2 is 112. So we can therefore say that 200 grams of calcium carbonate 4, which is limestone, gives out 112 grams of calcium oxide. So if you find the video helpful and engaging, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.